शॉपिंगचे मार्केट बघा किती आहेत. सूट ऊट जे आपल्याकडे आपण घ्यायला गेलो तरी पण पूर्ण सेट 8,000 रुपयाच्या खाली तर मिळत नाही. इकडे ऑप्शन व्हरायटी आणि सर्वात इम्पॉर्टंट तुम्हाला तुमच्या फिटिंगचं शिवून वगैरे पूर्ण दिले जातं. लेदरचे बघा पाहिजे तसं आहे. पैशाचा खेळ आहे फक्त. पण जर अशा पद्धतीने कलेक्शन काय ठेवतं तर कमी किमतीमध्ये म्हणजे घेऊन विकू शकता. कारण ह्यांचं मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग बेस्ट आहे. पूर्ण कपड्याचं कोको गाल किती दाखवू मलाच कंटाळा यायला लागला. एवढी दुकानं आहेत बघा. तुम्हीच बघा तुमच्या याच्यामध्ये. आणि प्रत्येक दुकानं या सगळ्या पद्धतीने बघा अशा पद्धतीने येलो कलरमध्ये हे केलेलं आहे. सकाळचा एक वेगळा माहोल आहे आणि संध्याकाळच्या लायटिंगमध्ये ते अधिक दिसतं बघा. त्यांनी जे डेकोरेशन केलं आहे ना त्या हिशोबाने. शॉपिंगसाठी व्हिएतनाम पुन्हा सांगेन बेस्ट आहे. दुबई तर आहेच म्हणा पण तुम्हाला कमी किमतीमध्ये व्यवस्थित तपासून घेतलात तर चांगली क्वालिटीसुद्धा मिळेल.
Hi. So, first of all, we are a specialty coffee.
Okay.
Today we have coffee from Peru,
Okay.
Colombia, and Colombia.
Ah.
In Africa, we have coffee from Rwanda.
Okay.
Yes. And each coffee here have different flavor.
Okay.
And you can see that flavor behind this tap look like this.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of flavor change during time and temperatures, hot, warm, or cold.
Okay.
Aftertaste, sweetness, a lot of things. Take a look, sir.
Ah. This is Los Margaritas.
Yeah, so we call us name the name's coffee.
So you are the main importer. You import here and then after you process or you just
Yeah.
sell it.
No, we just a roaster. We roast it and we sell it. We buy
good.
coffee from another.
And what's your brand name?
Pardon?
What's your brand name?
Our brand name is Isnel Tobias Coffee.
Okay.
Look like the tag right there you can see.
Yeah. Okay, excellent. Wow.
So this one you can see have a special flavor. It's matcha.
Okay.
This flavor in organic coffee is very hard to find.
Mm-hmm.
This one is high acidity
Okay.
and more fruity and flavor.
Ah.
Flower flavor.
Ah.
You can see this
Orange, yeah.
orange, lemon, a lot of things.
Okay.
This one is our most special.
Mm.
He's sweet and fruity.
Okay.
Take a look. Rock melon, a lot of fruity flavor.
Yes.
That's why, depending on the quality,
Ah,
each coffee have different price. You see that price for a cup right under the task.
right.
Look like this. And this one. So basically, this one is the highest quality we have.
Okay.
And in here, the reason why we very different of another coffee shop is this one.
Short.
Shop make the coffee by that machine,
Okay.
and it's not espresso.
Not a espresso.
It's not espresso.
Okay.
We not do espresso here.
Okay.
We setting another profile for that machine,
Okay.
and we just call it shot.
Okay. So what is the difference of espresso and this one? Short.
It's a
How
lot of
you-
things.
yeah.
A lot of things are different. But
Okay.
I'm gonna take an example.
Mm-hmm.
The first of all, espresso you the level of roast is medium roast or dark roast.
Okay.
All the coffee we have here is extremely light roast,
Okay.
and time for extraction.
Mhm.
An espresso shot
Mm.
take you about 25 to 30 seconds for a shot.
Okay.
This one take you 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Wow.
10 seconds
wow.
for a shot.
Wow.
That's why we go shot.
So
Bang.
so credit goes to mostly in machines or to or coffee.
Pardon?
Credit goes to machine or coffee to 10-second making.
Both.
Because of you.
Both.
Oh, okay.
and it just not be just on not only the machine or the coffee, water and everything we settings very much
Combined.
to one shot like this.
Wow. Okay. Give.
that's
Okay.
why-
I will try. I will try short.
You try shot.
Yeah. Whatever.
You
It's up to you. No, it's up to you. It's your best.
I
Yeah.
know that you can let me choose, but I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna ask that.
Okay.
You like something like smooth like tea, or you like something like sweet and bright like fruity?
Yeah, I'll go with fruity.
You gotta go
Yeah,
with
yeah,
fruity.
yeah.
So I'm gonna choose for you this one or this one.
Okay. Oh, maybe I can go with this one.
This one.
This is my lucky number.
All right. This one is the origin bean is already had a little bit high acidity,
Okay.
and when we make a shot, it's more acidity than you think.
Okay. Let's
So,
try. Yeah. Sure.
Ready?
Yes, ready, boss.
Any cake? Depends on you.
No, I already had.
All right.
Yes. How much you need?
It have this fry for a cup. You from India, but what's your name, sir?
Nitin.
Latin?
Nitin. Nitin.
So you usually traveling around?
Yeah, I'm traveling last more than 4 years. 4 months.
4 months.
Yeah. I mostly cover some restaurants, some business owner. Yeah.
That's the coffee we just sell in box.
Wow.
Only box.
तर मेन त्यांनी कॉफीमध्ये एक ब्रँड बनवला स्वतःचा आणि पुऱ्या देशातल्या जेवढ्या कॉफीज आहे आता बघा एवढी महागायची कॉफी पिण्याची महागायची तशी तुम्ही CCDशी कंपेअर केलं तर तेवढं नाही आहे आणि मी शॉर्टच घेतला आहे कारण कधी पण लक्षात घ्या तुम्ही कुठेही जा CCDमध्ये जा किंवा त्या बरिस्तामध्ये जा किंवा स्टारबक्समध्ये जा ट्राय करा फक्त शॉर्टचंच कारण एवढे पैसे घालण्यात काही इंटरेस्ट नाही तुम्हाला फक्त तिथे बसून कामकाज करायचं आहे आणि मी सुद्धा तेच करणार आहे थँक्यू Thank you.
Invite you to take a sip.
हां सॉरी
Invite you to take a sip. I'm gonna.
या शुअर डेफिनेटली आय विल सिट हिअर
So do you usually drink coffee?
या आय लव टू एव्हरी मॉर्निंग
Every morning.
एव्हरी मॉर्निंग
What kind of coffee usually?
मोस्टली अमेरिकानो
Americano.
Yeah.
Do you do coffee at home?
No, where I living at that time, or maybe if I living some like in my house Dubai, so or India, so I will try. There is in India there is old coffee. They're making very good different flavor, so I love it. And for in Dubai, yeah, I forgot the name. There is one brand. It's very common. Yeah, Duram or something kind of. So yeah, I love to drink.
You know, you should be buy some device
Okay.
to make coffee at home.
Yeah, obviously, in India I buy already from CCD. There is a Cafe Coffee Day, the larger chain system in India. Okay, coffee brand after Starbucks.
This one is your coffee.
Yeah,
We
thank
call
you.
it Las Margaritas.
Okay.
It's from Colombia, the area and the producer.
Oh,
Cafe Granzala and Prensa is legendary producer in the world.
okay.
They do a lot of coffee.
Ah.
Who already win a lot of competition in the world.
Wow.
Barista champion, World Brewer Cup champions, a lot of things, sir.
Wow.
In here, we public everything.
Ah,
Even the money we pay for producer or
Okay.
the money we pay for farmer
okay.
and the tax.
Wow.
If you scan this QR code, it's gonna go to direct our website.
Okay.
And in there, you will have more and more information about this farm and
Wow.
this coffee.
Wow.
Behind this tax, like you can see, the variety, the attitude, the
Okay.
process, the score.
Yes.
Even the machine we roasted this,
Roasted.
the flavor, body balance, everything in this
Everything.
time.
Oh, wow. Nice. It sound educated. Thanks.
And come on,
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Yeah, sure.
let you record.
Sure,
How you
sure.
do this shot.
Definitely. कोलंबियाची कॉफी इंडियाच्या बरिस्तामध्ये मुंबईच्या ब्रँचला तर नाही आहे. तुम्हाला इंडोनेशियन मिळते, तुम्हाला केनियामधली मिळते, तुम्हाला आपल्या इंडियामधली सुद्धा मिळते तिथे. कोलंबियाची नाही प्यायला म्हणून बोललो. आणि नंबर पण इतका भारी आहे. सॉरी.
I refer you.
या शुअर या डेफिनेटली.
Let's see why we very different of another coffee.
वाव.
First of all, this is your coffee.
ओके.
Extremely light roast, so
Okay.
it's very bright and it's cold because we put on the freezer to
Okay.
keep the quality.
ओके.
And it very smell, super fruity,
या
very fruity.
येस.
And I'll put the machine. And like I said, a lot of things different of espresso.
Okay.
That's why we just call it shot. The first thing I say that the level of roast.
ओके.
The difference is the level of roast is first. Second one is about the grain size.
ओके.
The grain size of this one a little bit more finer than grain size of espresso.
ओके.
So this is how we do. We're gonna put filter paper
Filter
in
paper.
here, but not like it wet.
वाव.
You can see, you can recall the grain size right there. Very small, you can see.
Yes,
Very small.
yes. Oh,
And
okay.
because it's small like that, so coffee is gonna stick together.
Oh,
You can see some big like this.
right.
That's why we need have this one, the alcohol. We have a lot of toys.
Wow. That's awesome.
When and we not even time it.
Okay, yeah. No need.
Because we treat the coffee like our lover.
Oh.
We not put the fresh
Oh.
on it. And let's see how it's fresh.
Yeah.
Bang!
Wow.
Very, very fast
Yes.
extraction, you see. Next steps is gonna make you impressed.
Oh, okay.
You know espresso, right?
Yes.
So the yellow thing in this top, in the top is called crema.
Crema. Ah, okay.
Crema. A real espresso is have to be crema,
Okay, yes.
but in here we take it out.
Oh, okay.
If Italian people
Uh-huh.
they see this one, they're gonna kill us.
Got
That's
it.
two things.
Oh,
See?
yes.
Take it out.
Yes. What is the main behind the story that why you want to take out?
Because the crema is made from lipid,
Okay.
oil, fat, melanoidin,
Oh,
and carbon dioxide.
okay.
So it's literally tastes bitter.
Ah, yeah.
That's why we take it out and just let you drink the original taste
Original taste.
of the coffee.
Wow.
In here, we really focus to original taste of the
Wow.
coffee.
Wow.
Then you have a fresh cup like this,
Sure.
and I'm gonna bring
Yeah,
the
yeah,
table
sure.
for you. Our shop is very complexity.
Okay. Thank you.
One more thing that's about the ratio.
Yeah.
An espresso use the ratio, the basic one.
Okay.
Use the ratio is 1:2.
Okay.
That means 1 coffee and 2 water.
Two.
Right?
Oh.
But in here we use the ratio is 1:4 or maybe
1:4.
1:5.
Okay.
So that means 1 coffee and 5 water. We get more coffee,
Strong.
water.
Ah.
It's gonna high acidity,
Okay.
fruity, bright, and complexity.
Wow.
Why we say it's complexity? Because if you imagine, we take all the flavor into 1 cup. It's
Yeah.
very complexity.
Wow.
If this is the first time you drink this shot,
Yes.
you feel a little bit bitter.
Okay.
But we not explain that it's not bitter, it's complexity.
Okay.
And why? Because your Tongo have time, it need time to experience to understand and feel all this flavor.
Yeah.
But when it is like a bomb flavor in your mouthfeel, your tongue cannot enough time to explain that.
Mhm.
So it's gonna make a sign into your brain,
Ah.
and your brain understand that a bitter,
Wow.
right? If the flavor is so much, you're gonna feel it bitter, but it's
Mhm.
not bitter.
Yeah, okay.
It's complexity.
Okay.
That's why we call it complexity.
Yeah. Thank you.
And
Thank you.
enjoy.
Yeah, let's try it. त्याने जे सांगितलं त्या पद्धतीनेच आहे की तू पहिल्यांदा ट्राय करशील तर तुला ते कडू वाटेल. आता पहिल्यांदा कॉफी प्यायलो आहे भरपूर वेळा, पण ही कॉफी प्यायलो नव्हतो अजूनपर्यंत. म्हणजे कोलंबिया तुम्ही स्टारबक्समध्ये गेलात ना तरी ते लोक तुम्हाला, म्हणजे आता तुम्ही कंटिन्यू असाल ओळख झाली किंवा तुम्ही डायरेक्ट विचारलं तरी ते तुम्हाला सांगतील की त्यांच्याकडे कुठले आहेत, कुठल्या प्रकारने कॉफी देत आहेत. कोलंबियाची कॉफी मला तर आठवत नाही आहे. त्याचा जो स्मेल होता हा नक्कीच स्वीट आहे. म्हणजे जो त्यांनी सांगितलं ऑरेंज, मोस्टली ऑरेंज. आता जास्मिन मला समजतं, पण ते काय कुमक्यूट लिहिलं ते काय समजलं नाही मला, पण हा बेस्ट आहे. आणि याची टेस्ट म्हणजे हे दिसणं म्हणा किंवा काय असं वाटतं ना लिंबू पिळल्या त्याने ते येलो काढलं, फॅट्स वगैरे वगैरे राहतात. म्हणजे बघा किती गोष्टी आहेत दाखवणं आहे. मी तुम्हाला या सगळ्या गोष्टी एवढ्या डिटेलमध्ये आणि प्रॉपर समजून कशासाठी सांगतो आहे. काही गोष्ट मला जमल्या नाहीत, माझ्या बिझनेसमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम येत गेले किंवा काही चुका झाल्या, काही असो. पण मला असं वाटतं की जो काही सपोर्ट मला भेटला नव्हता किंवा भेटला असेल किंवा नसेल, काही असो, पण ह्या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून किंवा इतर या भेटीगाठी काय तुम्हाला आयडिया येईल आणि कदाचित तुम्ही माझ्यापेक्षाही 1000 पटीने अशा पद्धतीने एक चांगलं ब्रँडेड बनवू शकता. बघा कॉफी तुम्ही म्हणाल मी नॅसकॅफेचे पण 10 रुपयाच्या पॅकेटमध्ये पिऊ शकता, काय त्याच्यात मोठंसं लॉजिक आहे. पण प्रश्न असा आहे की ह्या ज्या गोष्टी आहेत ना एकदाच आहे लाईफमध्ये. हे आपण म्हणजे विचार करू शकत नाही की कंटिन्यू येणार आपण आणि पियत राहणार आणि आपल्याला आवडतं आहे म्हणजे खर्च पण करणार नाही होऊ शकत आहे एवढ्या गोष्टी. कधीतरी एकदाच तुम्ही येणार आणि बघणार ते, पण तुम्हाला ते आठवण राहणार की हां तुम्ही ते केलं नव्हतात. कारण असं तर पैसा जायचा म्हणाला तर आजारपणावरती 2 मिनटात जाऊ शकतो काही पण हो. पण अशा गोष्टीचा एक्सपेरिमेंट केलं, त्याची जर आठवण ठेवलात तर तुम्ही अशा पद्धतीने एक कल्चर क्रिएट करू शकता. यास ब्रा.
This our brand podcast is to buy coffee.
Okay, I will take it this one. Both.
You also can keep this one too.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Keep them all.
Thank you. Yes. Obviously.
I'm gonna explain for you a little bit about information in this tag.
Yeah.
Fine Las Margaritas, Geisha variety. In Arabica coffee, Geisha variety is one of the most famous variety in the Arabica coffee.
Okay.
It have fruity, flower, and very comfortable. It's like tea. So the Geisha variety is also expensive. In Panama, they selling $10,000 for a kilogram of Geisha coffee.
Okay.
Very much. And about the score, what does score
92%.
mean? So it's called 92.5. But now I'm gonna explain for you about this score.
Okay.
In the world, they have a group named Specialty Coffee Association.
Okay.
You can call it SCA for fast.
Okay.
Also, they're gonna have this one to rate the point of the coffee.
Okay.
To let's see it's good quality or not. The aroma, the preference, flavor, aftertaste, acidity, you know,
Intensity.
body,
Body.
balance, uniform, sweetness, clean cup, everything
Mm.
to see this coffee is good or not.
Mm.
In 100 scale,
Ah,
in 100 scales, any coffee more than 80 point
okay.
can be called specialty coffee.
Ah.
So, excellent,
Mm.
more than 80 point can be
Okay.
called specialty coffee in 100 scale.
Mm.
And any coffee more than 90 point
Mm.
can be called outstanding coffee.
Okay.
Outstanding coffee, that means you can use that coffee
Ah.
into the competition in the world.
Okay.
Like barista champions,
Barista, yeah.
World Brewer Cup champions. We have up a lot champions right here.
Mm. Mm.
I'm gonna take example.
Mm.
We sold out this one.
Okay.
But it's quite famous.
Mm.
This coffee is named Potosi Sivra.
Okay.
Sivra is a variety of Arabica coffee,
Mm-hmm.
and it's still very famous. Like it's like second one famous.
Oh.
Still same country and same producer.
Okay.
Yeah, and see the flavor.
Mm.
Mango state, Cambodia.
Oh.
Sweetness,
Sweetness.
and super fruity.
Mm.
It has scored 92.52
Mm.
and what process.
Okay.
This coffee is a brewer from Chile.
Okay.
He bring this coffee and win the World Brewer Cup Championship of last year. That's been 2023.
Okay.
He win that competition.
Oh.
In the past, we have more coffee who win more competitions in the world.
Mm.
But in this time we sold out. We sold out a lot.
Okay. No issue. And for your like for your point of view, what is the favorite coffee in your means you like so much after you study everything?
What coffee I like so much?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna bring you to
Yeah.
see.
माझे भरपूर पकायता काय सांगू तुमका
I'm always choose two of this one. This one is named Diyagisru
Okay.
from Burundi.
Burundi. Ah.
Yes. And it have just only three flavor.
Mm.
Lemon iced tea.
Lemon iced tea.
Which
Wow.
one?
Wow.
This one is high acidity
Ah.
and fruity.
Ah.
So I like it. I usually drink this one for the morning.
Uh huh.
I also will buy this one a box.
Okay.
This is my box.
Oh wow.
It's inside like this. I'm bringing very much.
Wow.
This is our box. Looks
Wow.
like this.
Wow.
And also you can smell it.
Yeah.
About the sugar.
I love it.
Can you smell?
Yeah, it's different. It's not taste like smell like a coffee, man.
Yes.
Yeah,
and
very
it's
light, very light.
It's
yeah,
very light
very
because
light.
you know normally we have three level of roast,
Ah,
right?
ah.
Light roast,
Ah.
medium roast, and dark roast.
Ah,
All the coffee we have here, like I said, we
Yeah.
only use the level of roast is extremely light roast.
oh, okay.
It's the same level of roast of this specialty coffee association.
Ah,
And why we choose that level of roast?
ah,
Why not medium roast? Why not dark roast? Like espresso? Because you know Kobe beef?
yes.
Yes, it's very famous and
Yes.
tastes really good, right?
Yeah.
So I give you two meat.
Okay.
One is normal beef you can buy in the market,
Okay.
and one is Kobe beef,
Okay.
right?
Mm.
And very easy to understand that Kobe beef is more higher quality and tastes more good.
Yeah.
Both that one you put on the fire,
Okay.
right? You burn it.
Uh-huh.
What do you get? Kapow.
Not yes, yes.
Same results.
Okay.
It's dark, it's bitter, it's
Uh-huh.
burning,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So that means you destroy the quality,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
You burn everything into the same,
Right.
right? If you burn a fish and you burn everything, you burn everything. A fish, you burn and it's become to one resource. It's
Okay.
compound size,
Yes.
right? It's compound. You burn it, right? So it's not. It's in that time. It's not different
Mm.
of the quality more.
Mm.
Like you can see in the restaurant, if they have a good quality meat,
Mm.
they just do medium rare
Mm.
or just do very little bit things and seasoning. They seasoning very little bit. They not to put something in there
Oh.
to keep the original flavor and keep the original quality of the coffee.
Oh.
That's why we only focus to extremely light roast.
Okay.
We not say espresso is not good.
Mm.
Okay, we really respect that, and we say espresso green very good.
Okay.
But in this coffee,
Uh-huh.
we focus and we go another way.
Okay. Right.
We are rotate the original taste of
Wow.
the coffee,
Wow.
right?
Yes.
If you have a coffee from Colombia
Mhm.
and you have a coffee from Panama country,
Okay.
right? It's gonna taste different,
Right,
right?
right.
That's why it's called specialty.
Right.
But if you burn it, if you roast it, dark roast, you burn it, you burn it, you burn it, you have same results.
Same
it's
result.
come from,
Oh,
right?
oh,
That's
oh.
right.
Yeah.
So
So there is any kind of parameter like you have to roast this 90%, 85%. There is guideline. It's different coffee.
Yeah.
Or it's okay. You can burn on the same temperature. There is no need to be follow the guideline.
actually, everything if you burn it,
Ah.
you not need to burn it like dark roast,
Okay.
or even you do it medium roast.
Okay.
You already change a little bit the original taste of the coffee. Already,
Uh-huh.
so that's why we choose extremely light roast.
Okay. And one more question is, I see some like animal, okay? They giving some feeding something, and then after when he do poo, then they take out, and that coffee is very expensive. I don't know the animal.
Yes, I
Yeah.
know that animal. We normally I have a name is Kulalumwat. I'm
Okay.
not remember that name, but an animal they eat that coffee.
So you keep that coffee? Yeah.
No, we're not
No.
selling that one,
Okay.
and we always talk with the customer that
Okay.
don't bring that coffee
Really?
because first of all,
Yeah.
it tastes not good like
Ah.
they say.
Okay.
Actually, think.
But they promote like that coffee is very expensive in the
Yes,
whole
it's-
world,
they just
bulk.
illusion.
Okay,
Just talking,
okay,
oh, this
okay.
one it has quality. You have to spend a lot of money on this one,
Oh.
but it's not true.
Okay.
In the past,
Mhm.
that animal,
Hmm.
that yes, they in the nature,
Mhm.
they eat the coffee bean.
Yeah.
You know, we get it,
Yeah.
we wash it,
Yeah.
we drink it
Yeah.
in nature way,
Yeah.
right? But this time they take a lot of that animal.
Mhm.
They treat them very like slave
Mhm.
to have more coffee.
Right.
They have they always open that mouth
Mhm.
and put coffee and coffee.
Yes,
coffee.
yes, yes.
So don't do this, all right? Humanity
Yes, obviously.
it's not good, and it's actually tastes not good.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the thing.
Okay, nice.
So don't bring that one. It's true.
Yeah, that's lots of fun, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Come on. So you're from Vietnam?
Yeah, I'm from Vietnam,
Oh,
sir,
wow,
and
wow.
also a coffee lover.
And how many years you complete with this company?
I'm not count,
Ah.
but about 5 years, I think so.
Wow,
About
wow,
5 years, I
wow,
think so.
wow. How old are you, by the way, now?
Pardon?
Because you look like 17, 18, 19 years old.
In
How
this-
old are you? How old are
I'm
you?
20.
20?
Yeah,
Wow, wow, wow. But
I-
at 20, you are legend in this
Yes,
coffee
in
industry, man.
15 years old.
So what's your next future planning? Like after that, what do you want to do?
In the future,
Yeah.
I want to become a professional person
Person.
in coffee.
Oh
in
wow,
coffee
wow,
cultures.
wow. Any kind of you seen kind of your mentor in life, future life? Like suppose someone is achieve and you want to achieve that thing.
Yeah, of course.
Who's the guy?
In this time, I still not have that guy,
Okay,
but I'm just believe that coffee is for sharing.
okay,
Like everyone come here, they ask me,
Okay.
I'm gonna answer the question.
okay.
And any question I don't know,
Mhm.
me and him or she gonna go to find the answer together.
Okay.
I'm
And,
not
and
trying.
next 10 years, what do you want to do? Like
Next,
you want to still here, Vietnam, or you want to go abroad to
Yeah.
expand your knowledge, future, everything?
Yes,
Yes?
when I feel I enough knowledge enough about coffee in this Vietnam, I want to go to another country to learn it,
Okay,
like
wow.
Colombia,
Wow.
like Korea,
Wow.
or Melbourne in Australia.
Australia. Wow.
But after that,
Uh-huh.
I want to come back to Vietnam
Wow.
because I want to have a Vietnamese farmer
Okay.
to grow the better coffee.
Wow. Wow.
You
Wow.
know? Vietnam is the second country in the world who make the coffee
Okay.
and selling a lot.
And who is the first country?
Brazil.
Brazil. Okay.
But the problem is the second largest country, some kind of that here like that. Wow, quite big, but it's just about the number.
Yeah.
It's not about quality.
Yeah. But every 10 step I saw in Vietnam, coffee shop.
Yes.
So what is the main motive?
Yes, the main they selling is robusta coffee,
Okay.
and they roasts, dark roast,
Okay.
and some maybe fresh coffee. And when they process, when they roasted this, they
Okay.
put something in there. So
Oh.
maybe corn, butter,
Mhm.
or sometimes a fish sauce into the coffee, so
Okay.
can make more flavor into there.
Oh. Oh.
And when they processing,
Mhm.
they try to fermentation.
Oh.
They put very much fermentation to get more and more and more and more flavor.
Oh.
But
Wow.
it's not original taste,
Okay.
right?
Mhm.
When you make a fish,
Hmm.
you seasoning.
Right.
And when you did it, you don't feel any fish.
Yes. Yes.
Right?
Right.
Keep the original taste.
Obviously.
That's our way.
Yeah.
And what we want to sharing to customer,
Mhm.
everyone, like you, Vietnamese, or
Everything,
everyone.
right.
That's why we focus on the original taste. And in Vietnam, they think specialty coffee
Mhm.
is egg coffee, coconut coffee,
Mhm.
sauce coffee, but
Yes.
it's not. It's specialty drink.
Okay.
It's not specialty coffee.
Okay. They just craft it.
Yes,
Ah.
they think that specialty, but it's not.
It's not.
It's specialty drink.
Okay.
It's drink with coffee,
Oh.
not coffee.
Oh.
Right? That's why.
That's cool, man. Really. I appreciate what you educated me in this coffee industry, and really, I will share you my views to my views. Let's see. We can meet next time, sure. Okay, I will keep this.
Oh, I can take one back.
Okay,
because
this one.
we only have
Yeah. Okay, no issue. Thank you.
And,
Okay.
You have any channel?
See, right now I never make any channel, but definitely in future I will contact you. Just give me your number, so I will WhatsApp your line.
But do you have any social media? Like
Yeah, Instagram. I have Instagram.
Oh,
channel.
can I have your Instagram?
Yeah, sure.
Because I see you do a lot of videos.
You just check Cashuwala. But I never uploaded in Instagram because I just once I reach Dubai, then after that I will start to editing and I will update it.
Yes.
Okay, you can search Cashuwala. CASHU
Yes. C
A
A
S
S
H
H
E
E R E
W
W
W
W
A L A
A.
L A. No, not E A
This
A L A.
L A. How you can start? A.
Uh,
Oh.
Cashew,
L.
see this one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Content creator.
Yeah.
Oh, you traveling a lot, sir. You traveling a lot.
Yeah.
I'm following you. I'm
Yeah,
following
okay,
you.
okay, I will accept you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
sir.
Yeah, bye.
And hope you in the future you know go more countries.
Sure,
more
sure.
experience,
Definitely. Thank you
and
so
sharing
much.
with the people.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. भरपूर इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगितली बघा. हा एक्सेल कॉफी ब्रँड आहे. दाखवायला कशाला आणलं बघा. पैसे खर्च झाले म्हणा. 350 का काहीतरी घेतले त्याने, म्हणजे ऑलमोस्ट 3 7 9 आणि 1200 रुपयाची कॉफी झाली. पण तुम्हाला अजून एक गोष्ट ॲटमॉस्फिअर दाखवतो कारण हे बघा, तुम्हाला पैसे कमवायचे आहेत, बिझनेस करतात पैसे कमवण्यासाठी. मला आतापर्यंत तेवढं सॅटिस्फॅक्शन नाही मिळालं किंवा माझ्या कष्टातून नाही झाले. पण मी म्हणेन तुमच्याकडून होऊ दे. हे बघा, हे दाखवण्यासाठी इथे आलो आहे. आता हे मासे कुठले आहेत ते माहिती नाही, पण बऱ्यापैकी त्यांनी मॅनेज करून ठेवलं बघा. तुम्ही जरा भारतामध्ये अशा पद्धतीची प्रॉपर्टी कुठे बघितलं आहे तर मला सांगा, की जिथे अशा पद्धतीचे मासेसुद्धा आहेत आणि बाजूला रोड आहे, तुम्ही कसंही जाऊ शकता, येऊ शकता. आपल्याकडे लगेच कुंपण घालतील, हे झाकायला बघतील. पण इथे बघा तुम्ही, या बसा, फिरा, हाच तर एक खरी मजा. आणि इथे एकच अशी हे नाही आहे की ओके हो, हे तर ऑसम आहे बघा. हे पाण्यावरती दगड आहे असं वाटतंय, पण वाव. मला पहिल्यांदा वाटलं तरंगत आहेत, पण त्यांनी ते खाली त्याला जॉईंट लावून ठेवलं. म्हणजे आता तुम्हाला दिसतील काय नाही, हे बघा मला दिसतात इथून पाईप आहेत असे, पण ते आहे कसं की तुम्ही पाण्यावरून चालताय. दाखवायची महत्त्वाचं गोष्ट काय, गोप्रो बंद पडला मोबाईलने. जो आयफोन इथूनच घेतला सेकंड हँड, त्याच्यानेच रेकॉर्ड करतोय. मला समजत नाही आहे की माझा व्हिडिओ येतोय की नाही येतोय, पण आता ठीक आहे. तर या अशा गोष्टीने बघा, त्यांनी कॉफी एक विकली, पण त्याचा कदाचित अर्ध्या दिवसाचा पैसा वसूल झाला असेल. तर बिझनेसवरती जी माझ्याकडून चुकी हीच झाली की जर त्याला 10 रुपये लागतात आहे ना, तर मी 11 रुपयाला कमी प्राईजवरती सेल करायचं आणि विकायचं. आणि मग त्याच्यामधून काय होतं की जे आपल्याला फ्युचरमध्ये येणारा खर्च आहे, समजा ती ऑर्डर झाली की त्याच्यानंतर समजा काय खर्च होत असेल तर ते आपल्याला कवरच करता येत नाही. का? कारण एकदा ऑर्डर झाल्याच्यानंतर दुसरा बिझनेस कधी होईल ते माहिती नाही. आणि ही गोष्ट समजायला 2024 उघडला, पण 2024च्या नंतर ज्यावेळी पूर्णपणे आता ऑब्व्हियसली ते एक स्पार्क व्हावं लागतं. कारण काय माहिती आहे, तुम्ही सक्सेसफुल होण्यासाठी वयाच्या 16 वर्षीसुद्धा होऊ शकता किंवा एकदी म्हातारेपणी पण होऊ शकता. हां, पण ते सक्सेसफुल एक्झॅक्टली काय आहे त्याच्या पाठीमागे पण त्याची व्याख्या वेगवेगळी आहे. कारण काही जणांच्या मते सक्सेसफुल म्हणजे पैसा कमवणे, आणि माझ्या मते मला असं वाटतं पैसा कमवण्यापेक्षा सक्सेसफुल महत्त्वाची एक गोष्ट आहे की तुम्हाला तो फॉर्म्युला समजणं गरजेचं आहे की ज्याच्याने ते सक्सेस होतं, म्हणजे प्रॉपर. ते एकदा जर तुम्हाला समजलं मग तुम्ही काही अचीव करू शकता. तर त्या दादाने, मित्राने आपल्या बऱ्या प्रकारे आपल्याला गाईड केले, बरा काजूचा म्हणतं कॉफीचं सगळं माहिती सांगितलं. मग आता बोर हो गेला, पण मनाने म्हटलं ऐकू होया, कारण बोर याच्यासाठी झालेलो. कारण तो ज्या पद्धतीने बोलत होता, एक त्यांनी बीफचं उदाहरण दिलं. आता आपण बीफ काय एवढं काय माहिती नाही, म्हणजे कुठलं काय कॅटेगरी असतं, त्याच्यामुळे मला काय सांगता आलं नाही. मला वाटलं काय माहिती आहे, कोबे तुम्ही जर माहिती असेल तर तुम्हाला हे काय फुटबॉलर आहे, तर म्हटलं हा ह्याला पण कशाला करतो. नंतर त्याचा प्रोनाऊन्स ऐकला बीफ, मग समजला की अरे हां. तर हा प्रॉब्लेम होतो ज्यावेळी तुम्ही समोरच्याच्या सॉरी तो जे काय बोलतो आहे ना त्याच्यामध्ये आपण जेव्हा गुंग होऊन जातो की त्यावेळी लक्ष नाही राहत एक्झॅक्टली. ओके, तर आत्ता आपल्याला इकडचे जे मार्केट एरिया आहे तिकडे जायचं आहे. काल हा कॅमेरा होता पण मी काढला नाही, डोक्यात नाही चालवलं. मी म्हणालो की GoPro बंद झालं आहे, तर मग कसं करणार, मग GoPro काढूया, आणूया आणि नंतर करूया. आता कालच बऱ्यापैकी रेकॉर्ड झालं असते. असो काही असो, पण कॅमेरा असलं की मला कुठे विजिट करता येत नाही. तर बघा हे मोबाईलचे शॉप आहे ते अशा बघून बऱ्या प्रकारे. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला सेकंड हँड न्यू मोबाईल शॉप मिळून जातो. आणि हे छोटे छोटे बार्स आहेत की ज्याच्यामध्ये बसून ड्रिंक करू शकतात. पण जे थायलंडला ज्या पद्धतीने हे आहे काय म्हणतात ते नाईट लाईफस्टाईल तसं नाही आहे, पण थायलंडपेक्षा स्वस्त आहे इतकं तर कन्फर्म आहे. इथे प्रत्येक म्हणजे हॉटेल असो त्यांचा बिझनेस, आता बघा ते तिथे काम करणारे लोक आहेत तरी ते बाहेर बसून दारू पिणार. किंवा त्यांच्या दुकानाच्या समोर बसून पिणार असं. ठीक आहे, हा व्हिडिओ इथंच थांबूया कारण भरपूर लांब होईल मग आणि बोर पण होईल.